Hello friends, I am Torit Mato. Welcome to Art and Purulia. Today we'll talk of atmospheric perspective and how depth can be achieved in a landscape or seascape by its right application. Which one out of these two paintings has more depth and is more appealing? The difference is in the sea area only, rest all is same. The trees, figures, sand, everything. I am sure you'll agree that B is more appealing. Now ask yourself why. I'll give a pause of just few seconds here for you to think. Could you find out? Okay, see here in the painting A, the sea at the horizon is too dark and too well defined, whereas the sea in the foreground, closest to the observer, is not well defined. Moreover, the waves are not in reducing size as they recede. So, the depiction here is giving a confused signal to our mind. The horizon line is looking closer, and the waves, which is in the foreground, which is supposed to be the closest, is looking far off. So, today we'll see how the perspective of painting A can be corrected to that of painting B. The beauty of acrylic is that it is extremely forgiving. You can keep correcting a painting if you feel so. You can keep applying layers over another layer. This luxury you don't have in watercolors. Of course, watercolors have their own beauty and charm. So, the first thing we'll do is to correct the horizon line. The horizon line is generally not all that defined, especially over the sea, except sunrise and sunset time. The color of the sky and the sea at the horizon line is almost same. Here in this painting it is almost afternoon time. So the horizon line will generally be slightly hazy. I'll also make a little modification in the coastline. Here the coastline is extending straightway onto the left and vanishing on the left hand corner. I'll add a bit of coastline which is extending almost to the middle of the canvas, and we can see some of the distant hills and some foliages on the other side of the sea. That will give a bit of more dimension to our view, and it will add to depth. We will lighten up the sea at the horizon and also make it a bit dull in color. The color at a distance is less saturated. As we come closer, we'll use brighter colors. Here I am using phthalo blue, ultramarine and light blue permanent, and a bit of orange to reduce the brightness at the distance. And of course, white to lighten it up, I am using white. All are Camel brand acrylic paints, artist quality, and the brush I am using is size 10 flat brush made by Brustro. So enjoy the process. Hope you liked the whole process. Here I have tried to bring in home the basic ways of depicting distance in a seascape, and of course also in a landscape. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you may consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you.